time for our knowledge, and when it came to our knowledge, then we have decided that we have to sort out the issues. And you will be happy to know, within this 1 month, we are able to clear at least 38 matters. It is totally single window clearance. No objection. For no objection certificate not needed for 38 subjects. It means it will be helpful for all of you. Instead of facing problem every day and harassment like anything every day, if you need the land mutation, go to this department, then you go to PW department, go to fire department, go to this department, go to that department. No need. Now we have decided land conversion, land change, this West Bengal Pollution Control Board, electricity, this WBACDCL, the National Highway Authority, PWD, no need for giving no objection certificate. And like this, fire brigade, emergency service, and this DIC, main district level, the DPI report also is not necessary for this. We want a healthy competition for the business in West Bengal so that there will be more investment, and that's why our greater interest to give you all help. Now we have taken strong decision regarding land, electricity, environment, trade license, building plan, labor laws, and to give you more help, we have decided something. In every district we have started MSME, the facilitation center. Through there, one window clearance, an online window clearance, we have already started. There we have cleared so many projects also. Now, online VAT service, government receive payment, incentives, land allotted for industry, different, the information, appeal, details identification number, MSME, related any matter. If you just apply, if you just appeal through internet, just see the internet number, www.myinterface web in.